Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. Well, today I picked up quite unique item in a second-hand store. It's a Toshiba XM-4100A double-speed portable CD player. And you probably gonna ask, what for you need portable CD player, especially for Amiga 3000? Well, here's the thing. This portable CD player is not ordinary CD player. It has a SCSI interface on the back. It's really cool item. I mean, it's with single push button you can open a tray, place it your disk. It has a button play stop, busy light, power light, volume knob, and headphone jack. On the right side it has a on-off switch, 9-volt power connector, SCSI ID switch, SCSI connector itself, and couple little trigger switch. On the left side there's nothing. It did come with a cable. Also it did come with a SCSI terminator, and of course with power supply. I was quite surprised to find that this item almost in a brand new condition. It doesn't look like ever been used, in an original box with all accessories what it come from factory. Actually the cable, I believe it's for a different brand, probably didn't come in a box. Anyway, and when I got that unit, first thing I thought, it will be quite interesting to plug it to my Amiga 3000 because it has a SCSI, plus it did come with all cables. And I start messing around a little bit to see how lucky I will be to figure out what's going on. I mean, how it can run on my Amiga 3000. And guess what, guys? After some research, actually I did found it the way how to run it. And let me switch its camera angle a little bit differently, and then it's gonna show you how it works. Okay guys, basically I just booted my Amiga 3000. Let me open tray, and first it's gonna put it, I did download it Goldfish disk. And it will detect, no problem. You can open it, you can browse it. I mean, it's worked the way it's supposed to be, no problem at all. Then I also did install it Hippo MP3 player. Well, I'm not quite sure if it's an MP3 player. I should not say MP3 player because I was not able to figure out how it's gonna work with audio disc. Because here I got the audio disc. I was gonna place it. Let me close it Hippo player for now. And that guy, it will detect as a CD data disc. I believe DA stands for data. You try to open it, it will not open it. And also if you open it Hippo player and then try it volume to see, it will not even show the drive there. But if I remove it audio disc and put it back, the Goldfish, and let's see, yeah, as soon as detected disk, there will be, open it, there will be pops in a browser. You can select it drive. Also, I did recognize it. If I place it computer game, and that's early 90s or so, it also will detect. And it's kind of funny. I mean, it will not run, of course, but you can browse. Let me do show all files, and boom, right there. I mean, you can browse PC game disk, DirectX right there. Of course, it will not run, even if you try it. Anyway, I'm not sure. Well, like I said, the Hippo most likely will not run straight from CD drive, because like I said, it will not recognize it. Maybe I need to install some additional files will recognize it, audio disk or so. But so far it's quite interesting. Like I said, I mean, I was quite happy I make it work with Amiga 3000. I mean, it does detect, it does, I mean, you can browse, especially if it's files, I mean, format supported, it will do no problem. Oh, that's a CD disk anyway. Well guys, pretty much we're done for this video. I hope this video was quite interesting, enjoyable. If you did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.